Every breastfeeding mother is asking me, Shreya, what should I eat? Entire family is giving n number of suggestion. हर कोई रिलेटिव आके एक नया बात सिखा के जाता है, and it actually confuses every new mother what to eat. Now let's understand what to do, especially to get your breastfeeding very peaceful. So first aspect, position and posture. Please remember all the girls who are breastfeeding. Suggestion से irritation ज़्यादा तभी होता है when you are at pain with yourself. Back pain is there, feeling disturbed, lack of sleep. That's what make you even more irritated. You all need to take care of right posture and right position so that you are far better and far peaceful when it comes to your personal pain and health. There is a video about it on MyDvija, right position and posture while breastfeeding. So explore that video on MyDvija YouTube channel and you shall feel far more comfortable. Next goes about traditional food. Let's understand those aspects जो traditionally दिए जाते हैं वो उनको नहीं करना है. तो first aspect, पानी ज़्यादा पीना है नहीं पीना है, please have lot of water. Breast milk is 80% water and only 20% milk. If you don't have lot of water, it's going to affect your breast flow. It's going to affect your breast milk flow. So have a good water intake. Should we have boiled water? No. Only 10 days you will have warm water. After that you will have filtered water. पुराने ज़माने में गर्म पानी ठंडा करके पिलाते थे because there were no filters at home. So method used to disinfect the water. So we don't take an AquaGuard or an RO purified water and then boil it. So it becomes double purification, which is not needed. So you will have lot of water, hot water only for 10 days, and then you shift to filtered water. Next myth that traditionally people have is to have lot of ghee. You are not supposed to have lot of ghee. Please ensure our mamas and mother-in-laws used to do lot of physical work. We don't do physical work. Even if you are a job working, we sit at one place and work. We don't do physical work. So it affects. And this entire effect makes you put on weight. So you are not supposed to have excess fat. Ideally what you need is 45 gram of fat. So तेल घी मिला के total 5 छोटे चम्मच. So one of the idea that we give all the mamas is that please tell your family not to make those laddus with lot of ghee. So laddu का पूरा mixture बना दो, like khari, cobra, badam, whatever they want. Make that dry powder and give you just like that. You will save upon lot of unnecessary good and lot of unnecessary fat that is going in your body. Third thing, traditional belief is that you should have lot of milk. 1 liter milk, जितना दूध पियोगे उतना दूध आएगा. That's one of the major myth. Milk doesn't have any direct correlation with the quantity of milk flow. So I'll need to make sure that you have around 300 to 400 ml of milk across a day. 100% not more than that. Shreya, can I have curd? Please have curd. Those of you whose family is not allowing, have आधा मुदा curd. Like सुबह में आपने लगाया है, by 11:30-12 it's not completely set. So that curd is very good. Next, one of the traditional myth that people carry is fruits. Somehow people don't give you fruits thinking fruit is going to create cough and cold. Firstly, it's a myth. Scientifically, if you have fruits, all the fruits, it's going to help you a lot to increase quality and quantity of milk. So traditionally people say sardi khasi ho jayega. If we consider that also as a truth, but still understand something. सर्दी खांसी अगर हो जाएगा तो child is going to develop antibodies against it. It's better for your child's immunity. So please have fruits. We always say minimum 2 fruits every day. And last but not the least, traditionally people believe that you are supposed to have everything in a granular form. सब कुछ ऐसे मसल के पाउडर बना के एकदम लिक्विड फॉर्म में खाना है. No. Have a routine meal, chapati, bhaji, bhakri, chawal. You can have everything under the sky, less spicy food. That's the only thing. In case there is any specific food that creates acidity or gases for you, that you can avoid. But otherwise, please see to it that you don't have a granular meal, you have a regular food. Third aspect to improve upon your breast milk or be peaceful in your breastfeeding state is galactogogues. Okay, what is galactogogues for all of you? Spelling might would have gone a bit wrong. Galactogogues are basically those items which improves your breast milk flow. So understand the list, what must be there in your diet on a day-to-day basis. First is ajwain. Second is garlic, that's lasun. So first is ajwain, second is garlic, third is yellow methi seeds. So how to have it on a daily basis? हम लोग यूजुअली तड़के में क्या डालते हैं? जीरा, मोरी, हींग. For you when you're breastfeeding mother, see to it that you can add jeera, mori, hing plus ajwain, garlic and yellow methi seeds in every tadka that is made specially for you. This will actually make sure that it gives you wonderful milk flow. Next, that's again a booster, is milk. That's why I said milk probably 300 to 400 ml. Next, 2 items. ये बहुत सारे cultures में नहीं खाते हैं, but आपको make sure करना है कि आप लोग ये खाओ. That's one of the reason that we have given this in Mother's Kit also. Those who are seeing this video and you don't know about Mother's Kit, please explore a video which is on Dvija Mother's Kit. Every pregnant mother must have that kit because it's a treat with an Ayurvedic mixtures which will take care of lot of issues that you're facing. So word in garden cress seed, that's ariv. And second is खसखस. So preferably ये 2 चीजों का खीर आपको हर रोज खाना है. So probably morning time if you have hariv, evening time you can have खसखस खीर. How to make खीर? Take 1 full mug of milk, add 2 spoons of this, boil it to half, add bit shatavari, add kharik powder, add soot, pimplamul अगर आपके घर में कुछ डालना है तो, and you make the खीर ready. Have it twice a day, you will have awesome milk flow, awesome milk flow. Last but not the least, fish liver oil and egg. This comes into the picture if you are a non-vegetarian. Use fish liver oil and have eggs. That's again act as a very good booster. Can I have egg yellow? Please have. There are no worries about it. Apart from that, I didn't went into the aspect that family is going to give you, have lot of leafy vegetables, have lot of salads, have intermittently. Keep having food every 2 hours. Walnuts help, flex seeds help, which I think most of the families do give. Don't be on a bed rest, you are not a patient. Do your exercises, do meditate, do listen to music, do dance a bit and feel fresh. This is a phase where you feel sad, you feel irritated, you are not able to cope up with your sleep. So if you can find out ways to feel fresh, then you can manage with rest of the disturbances. So just take care of that. Have this healthy food. Those of you who are actually conscious and want to make yourself physically strong, try having Dvija Akopa powder. You can add it to your laddu, you can add it to your milk, and you must have it in 9th month also and post-delivery phase also. You will never have back pain. That's Dvija Akopa powder. Explore it, you shall feel good. It's available on Amazon. It's available on www.mydvija.com. So this is a diet for all the girls who are breastfeeding. Get ready, even if you are pregnant, see this video carefully so that you can prepare your family members. Always remember, you can have anything and everything that is cooked at home. No junk food, no bakery food, no outside food. And have it less spicy. That's more than enough for you. Stay relaxed. You are not a patient, you are a mother. So enjoy this journey with lots and lots of healthy options. Can I have non-veg? You can have non-veg which is boiled. You can have it with pepper and salt. You can have non-veg stocks. You can have soups and you can have everything. So thank you so much all of you. Have a great time. Enjoy this phase being a mother. So enjoy your motherhood ahead. Keep watching My Dvija YouTube channel and do your exercises every day. You will be able to find a video about it on YouTube channel. So thank you so much all of you. Have a great time and